Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to enable SharePlay on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15.1. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So SharePlay allows you to watch shows, listen to music, and use apps together during a FaceTime call. Before we start, let's make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version, which is 15.1. You can do this by going to Settings, General, then Software Update to confirm the version number. Once we have confirmed that, let's now enable SharePlay. Go back to your Settings app. Now scroll down and find the FaceTime option and tap on it. Then scroll down again and find SharePlay and tap on it. Make sure to enable the settings if you want to watch shows, listen to music, and use apps together during a FaceTime call. Now you can start a FaceTime call and use the SharePlay function with your friends and family. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.